Yeah, somewhere. You gonna buzz him?
I got a 21 and 24 on here, and see if I can take it right in and get it developed. Well, I brought this along this morning.
Seagulls.
Yeah, it's going.
Out there, someplace. We're gonna buzz them. See, seagulls out there. Ray's gonna go buzz the seagulls. It's his favorite thing to do.
We got one here and one.
The one on the right, the one I was after, I could see him. Closer to, now I can see the other one.
He's getting ready to leave you. There he takes off.
Since you're only getting some.
Oh, yeah.
Big speed boat. You have a beautiful day today. Oh, there's a skier. Seagull right there. I don't know if we'll see it or not on this, but I'm trying. Ski boats, skiers. What are we looking for?
What bird is right there?
A floating one?
Uh-huh. See?
Uh-huh, I see.
Duck.
I would assume a duck.
Not one of the pretty mallards, but maybe it's a female.
A mud duck or something. There's a duck up here we're investigating.
I don't have my contacts in.
Ah, that's true. See? Oh, we're getting closer.
Yeah, I see him, but I don't know what it is.
I was looking too far.
Yeah, well, we're getting closer now.
I was getting too far.
Just a plain and simple duck.
No, it's a seagull.
Looks like one.
The
Oh.
color wasn't right back where I was looking. From the angle we had, it was like, it's not white. It is a seagull.
Okay. It's a seagull duck.
It's a seagull. The way it looked, the color wasn't right.
Oh, there he goes. Right there. Pretty.
There's that beach where they were painting the picture the other day.
Oh, yeah.
Something right up here. It's too big to be a seagull.
Yeah.
Maybe it's several.
But I think it's more boats coming out.
I wished I'd have brought my MP3 player.
Uh-huh.
I don't.
I do. Because on my MP3 player, she's got the video that she took when we were chasing seagulls in a parking lot.
You should have heard him laugh. I have never heard an insanely evil child do that bad.
His ass off? I don't think so.
I was just having fun because you were having fun.
My husband does that. He sits there and he watches me have fun.
Yeah?